Somewhere out there, right now, a star is being swallowed whole. A planet is orbiting a sun that makes ours look like a candle flame. And at the edge of the observable universe, something is happening that science can't fully explain yet. This is Cosmo Cipher. Every week we take the most complex, most jaw-dropping mysteries in the universe and we break them down. Not simplified, not dumbed down, decoded. Black holes, impossible planets, dark matter, the questions NASA is still trying to answer. We go there every single week. What happens when you cross a black hole's event horizon? Are there planets so extreme they shouldn't exist, but do? And what's really hiding at the center of our galaxy? We already have the answers. You just haven't watched yet. Subscribe to Cosmo Cipher, new documentary every week. The universe is stranger than you think. Let's find out how strange.